So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. If that's still not working for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand batteries. Now you're going to find your battery. You're going to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. See if that works for you. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in msdt.exe space -id space power diagnostic. Click on enter. And now this will come up. You want to click on next. Wait for this to load. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working, for the next method, we're going to stay on command prompt. Now we're going to type in sfc space / scan now and then click on enter. Now you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in dism space / online space / cleanup -image space / restore health. Click on enter. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.